Hi, Bob Does here with a quick tip for all you original Genesis owners. If you own an original Genesis and you have happened to buy one of these cables, an RCA type cable, from AliExpress or Amazon or anywhere online, and your Genesis happens to be making a terrible buzzing noise when it's connected, well, hopefully you can hear this. Hopefully that buzz is coming through pretty clear. Do yourselves a favor and unplug the red one there. In my case, it's the red one. The reason for that is the port on the back of the Genesis where this cable plugs in, it only has a standard mono audio out. It doesn't have a stereo out. So in my case, obviously the video and the audio come through on the yellow and the white cables here, but the red cable is connected to the green output on the back of the Genesis, because it has red, green, and blue outputs if you have if you want to make a SCART cable or just have a RGB output. So again, if you're using one of these cables and you have happened to plug in all three, you're going to get a terrible buzzing sound like that. That's because it's not outputting. There's no audio on that red one. That's it. Take care.